Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Roblox Studio and loading the place you'll modify. Once the place is open, enable Explorer and Properties so you can see game objects. Now locate Starter Player, then Starter Player Scripts. This is where you'll add client-side controls to block inventory. You do this because intercepting client input early prevents the default backpack UI from appearing. Create a local script here now and keep it selected. The next steps add code that disables the inventory and handles alternate input cleanly. You'll paste a compact local script that hides starter GUI, set core GUI enabled, backpack, false, and also unregisters default inventory actions. Once done, use context action service, bind action to capture keys like B or backpack and return a num. Context action result. Sync to stop propagation. Make sure the script reconnects on character added so new characters don't regain access. You do this because Roblox can re-enable the GUI on respawn. Consistently reapplying the disable is what makes you must test in both play and start server with multiple clients to confirm the backpack stays disabled. Once confirmed, commit the local script to starter player scripts. This ensures all players receive it. If the inventory reappears, make sure set core GUI enabled runs after player GUI loads, and that bind action is bound every time a character spawns. As a troubleshooting tip, add print statements before and after set core GUI enabled and bind action. Their output tells you whether the calls executed or were blocked by another script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.